This is the best Jamaican film of all time, according to Kira South.
Oi.
Shutters, Dancehall Queen.
That hard, you know? Dancehall Queen.
Dancehall Queen, The Harder They Come.
Dancehall Queen.
Dancehall Queen, Countryman.
Dancehall Queen.
Dancehall Queen, Third World Cop.
I like Third World Cup, but Dancehall Queen.
Dancehall Queen, Smile Orange.
Oh, Smile Orange. No, I'm going to Dancehall Queen still.
Dancehall Queen, Sprinter.
This is an objective analysis. Dancehall Queen. Big up Sprinter.
Dancehall Queen, Glory to Gloriana.
I don't know that one there. Glory to who?
Dancehall Queen, Stew Peas.
And that's what I knew you were going to say. That's the one I knew you were going to say. Okay, let me explain. One, Dancehall Queen genuinely is my favorite Jamaican movie, like over all of them. And two, there's just something about Dancehall Queen in terms of just like the storytelling, like how it's put together, the sequence of events, like how everything just meshed together so well. And I think the cast, like Paul Campbell was just brilliant. He's always brilliant. And so, man, not myself too, but I'm going to say Dancehall Queen.
Dancehall Queen, Rockers.
Dancehall Queen.
All right, Dancehall Queen gets it.
Yeah, Rockers was good too.